If you ever looked at your headlights and thought, man, I need to just buy new ones, hold up, because today I'm about to show you the hack that's all over the internet right now. The one that's supposed to fix this in like 5 minutes flat. So I grabbed this headlight, foggy, yellow, looks like it's been baking in the sun for 10 years straight. Look at that. That is the exact same headlight from 10 minutes ago. Foggy, yellow, looked like it belonged in a junkyard. And now look at it, crystal clear, like it just came out of the factory. That's the difference technique makes. Went in with 600 grit, then 1,500, then finished it off at 2,000, doing it exactly the way everybody says to do it online. And check this out. Yellowness is still sitting right there, barely moved. So either everybody's lying to you, or there's a step in between that nobody's actually talking about. That's what we're getting into today, so stick around, because by the end of this, you're gonna know exactly why this happens and what it actually takes to get rid of it for good. So we'll be showing you how we ended up here with the headlights. We're looking this good. So we tried sanding this thing down, went through all the grits, 600, 1,500, 2,000, and that yellowness is still not going anywhere. It's barely budged. So at this point, we're just gonna go ahead and hit it with the polish and see where these headlights take us. Because I'm telling you right now, I think you're gonna be amazed by what happens next. Jake's grabbing the polishing pad, throwing a bit of compound on there, and he's starting slow, working it into the plastic in small circles, not rushing it, because if you rush this step, you're just gonna end up with swirl marks and you're back to square one. Watch his hand pressure right here. He's not pressing hard. He's letting the pad and the compound do the actual work. That's the part people mess up. They think more pressure means faster results. It doesn't. It just means more heat. And heat is not your friend on plastic like this. So he's building it up in layers, polish, wipe, check, polish, wipe, check. And you can already start seeing something happening around the edges here. That yellow haze is starting to break up a little bit, just a little, but it's there. Now this next part is where it gets interesting, because he's about to hit the center of the lens, where the damage is the worst. That's usually the true test of whether this whole thing actually works, or if we just wasted an afternoon. So keep your eyes right here, because this is the section where you're either gonna see this headlight completely transform in front of you, or you're gonna see it barely change at all. And either way, I want you to stick around until the very end, because what happens with Jake's hands over the next few passes is honestly gonna surprise you. And there it is, that's the final result. And honestly, every time I do this, I still can't get over the difference. But here's the thing you gotta understand about headlight restoration. This yellowing isn't just dirt sitting on top. It's actual UV damage. The sun literally breaks down that plastic lens over years and oxidizes it from the outside in. That's why just wiping it or spraying cleaner on it never works. You're not cleaning something off. You're removing damaged material and rebuilding the surface underneath. That's why the sanding matters. That's why the grit progression matters. You're basically leveling out years of sun damage layer by layer until you hit clear plastic again. And once you're there, sealing it is what keeps it from going right back to looking like it did an hour ago. That's the whole game right there.